El Nido, I love you! And we are going to the island tour. Pinick up kami ni Kuya Oliver. Hi Kuya Oliver from Johanna Travel and Tours. Gloomy weather, maambon, but it's okay. Let's go. Really guys, it's raining. Ay, malaki.
And once again also here on the UV, why? Also from our captain today, Captain Dog!
Sino is you?
At the front, Captain Nobel! And also our food handler at the back, also the one and only, last but not least at the back, Kuya Chu! Hi, good morning! And right there, the one and only, the one right there, Yuka! And also my name is Kuya Christian, your guide today. What is cold? What is hot? It's 20 days! And let's get it on island now with 5 destinations, 2 lagoon area, and 2 beachfront area, and 1 snorkeling area. And once again also, that is a first timer here. Anyone? First timer, second time?
Few inches later.
Ayun mga kaisla, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cadaw Lagoon. This is the first stop of Tour D. So, ayan yung beach area. So, may kayak na sila. Dati ba kuya wala? Wala. Dati wala. Isi-swimming mo siya. But now, they have kayak na. But it's for 300 pesos. For 2 packs na siya. Pwede niya siyang paghatian.
Later.
Camera, action. Okay. Good.
Mga kaisla, our second stop for Tour D, Serenity Beach.
Yes.
So ano, nag-enjoy ka ba? Ikaw na lang kaya videoan ko. Are you having fun? Kamusta ang first timer? How's a first timer?
Ang ganda pala dito sa El Nido. Grabe.
Laylin! Oh, lumubog!
We got first lunch before we get doing kayaking. Okay?
Ayan, thank you po!
Mas maganda.
Ayan, packed lunch na sila ngayon. Kasi dati buffet. Hindi mo naabutan yung buffet. But still, food. Let's eat! So, ayan yung packed lunch. Chicken, pansit, ano to, limasag, gulay, may adobo, kanin, lumpia.
Sa amin na gulay. Pero, pakbet.
Isla, this is our third stop. This is called Small Lagoon. And kami lang yun nandito. Yung boat lang namin yun nandito. I guess, mga ilan kami kuya?
14.
O 14 packs lang kami nandito. Tingnan nyo, hindi akong sasalita ang tahimik. Diba? Super peaceful. Kaya nga super peaceful. I don't know if ganito talaga yung tao, like konti siya, or na-timingan lang namin that konti yung tao ngayon. Pero mas maganda mag-picture na ganito, no obstruction. Ang galing ng tour guide namin. Thank you so much, Johanna Travel and Tours, for accommodating us, Palawan Vibes and Isla Palawenya. Thank you so much! Goodbye, Small Lagoon. Ano na nga to?
Small Lagoon.
Bye, Small Lagoon! Going going to Pasandigan Beach. Let's go! Bye, Small Lagoon! See you soon! This is our 4th stop for Tour D. This is called Pasandigan Cove. And I think this will not be our last stop. Sabi nung tour guide namin, itatry pa namin if we can make one more island to end this tour. But let's enjoy the beach first. Let's go!
A few moments later.
Paradise Beach is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Johanna Travel and Tours. And we're down to our last stop. Thank you so much, Johanna Travel and Tours. See you next time ulit. Come on. Hello, what's your name?
Hello po, ako po si Len.
Len, nakilala niya kami ni Palawan Vibes. Thank you so much.
Bye po.
Wow, edi sana all na lang. Hello mga ka-isla, we are here at Foul Mouth. This is located in Hama Street here in El Nido, Palawan. And they serve chicken sandwiches. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Also located dito sa same store ng Foul Mouth, itong JG Donuts. Tignan nyo naman. All of these are homemade. Okay, made with love lahat ng mga yan. Mother Clucker. Parang ano delikado basahin Mother Clucker. This is Foul Mouth's original foul. Okay, may pickles siya kaya siya yung pinili ko. Mahilig ako sa pickles. Sobrang laki niya. Feeling ko hindi ko siya mauubos. Pero masarap siya. Cheers! Boom!
Hindi mo nahatang gutom tayong dalawa.
Hindi. Sarap. Siomay! Siomay! Parang sarap. Shawarma. Dito sa El Nido, kapag 6 PM na, meron silang tinatawag na, ano na nga yung tawag nila doon? Hindi na natin maalala. Parang ino-close nila yung daan para wala ng sasakyan. So walk zone na siya. Naglalakad na lang yung mga tao. And we are back here at Pops District with our takeout from JG Donuts. Thank you so much, Miss Sai and Mr. James.